Hi coders, I am Suresh welcoming you for the day 5 of the Python series. So far we have learned install Python day 1, day 2 we learned run first program in Python, day 3 variable and data types, and the fourth day Python naming rules. Now today we are going to learn what are commands, input and output functions, operators in Python, demo in Python shell. Now we will move on to the comments part right now. Now we will see what are comments in Python. Comments are lines in code that are not executed. They are used to explain the code and improve readability. See, imagine two programmers, Ramesh and Ganesh. Ramesh writes a complete complex program. A few months later, Ganesh has to update or debug that program. Without comments, Ganesh may struggle to understand what each part of the code is doing. So, Ramesh add comments like labels or sticky notes explaining the purpose of the code, the logic behind the condition, why a certain formula or method. Like that, the programmers written the comment in two methods, single line and multi-line. Left hand side single line command with as. Whatever statement written prefixing as will be ignored by the Python. The output will not be displayed. In the first single line, you left hand side, you see, it will execute only hello. I will show you the demonstration after that. In multi-line, similarly, start with triple quotes and end with triple quotes. And after that, the print Python will be written. Okay. In this case, it will return only Python. Written in triple quotes will be ignored by Python. Clear? We'll move on to second topic, input and output functions. Input is an input, print is the output command. Print is used to display output, you know that. Input is, let's say user type something from the keyboard, you store it in the variable and display it through print command. That's all. I'll show it in the demo later. In this second example, input and output function. In the first example, see num1, num2, we are getting two numbers from as an input from the user and we'll show it as it is. In the second one, we are going to add it. Both the numbers will be added and show the sum. It will show you. So you are using arithmetic inside the input function. Next, we will move on to operators in Python. Python has many operators type: arithmetic, comparison, assignment, logical, and more will be next day only. Okay, we will cover only these four topics: arithmetic, comparison, assignment, and logical operators. We'll move on to operators in Python, arithmetic operators. There are 7 operators in Python: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, exponentiation. You can see the example here. Additions, how it is, the output is coming. So when I show the demonstration, you will very well understand. It's very simple only. Exponentiation is nothing but 2 square 3, 2 into 2 into 2. We will move on to comparison operators. There are 6 comparison operators: equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. The output will be true or false. You can see the operator on the left hand side. You can use it through variable and you will get the output as either true or false. Let us move on to assignment operators. There are 4 assignment operators. Equal to is assigned, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to. Plus equal to means x plus equal to 3 if you assign, x equal to x plus 3. So x will be added to the number given equal to after that 3 number will be added. Like that. X minus equal to 2 is x minus 2, x into 2 equal to x into 2. We will move on to logical operators. And or not is then logical operators. The result will be either true or false. And true if both are true. True if at least one is true for or. Inverse Boolean value. True if you give, then false will come like that. I will show you by example later. This is another example. You are getting the input from the user, and the value will be stored in name and math variable, and you are adding it and getting the average, and you are actually through print command you are executing the output in different pattern. Just go through this. Later we will follow when I show the demonstration. Hi coders, welcome to the practical session of day 5. Today we are going to see first topic of comments. Okay, how to do comments? You know that comments are lines in code that are not executed. It means whatever you write in the comment, it will not be executed. I gave you a very good example of programmer. Now think about you are a programmer. You are writing a program, and you wanted to write some comment, some hints. Okay, so that your successor will come and see that. Okay, for that purpose only comments are introduced in Python. Now you will see single line command. Single line command nothing but start with hash. This is a command. Single line command. Single line command. See, it is not executing. We will do one thing. We will just write one small program file. This is a program file. It actually ends with .py. Okay. Go file new. I'll go once again. I'll show you. File, new file, and note editor will open. Here you will write whatever the programmer. Print how are you? Okay, and here I am writing one comment. This is the comments section. Okay, and I am writing one more simply I am writing where is your boss. Okay, so I am writing small two program. In between I written one comment. Comment is single line. Whatever you write here, single line, this will not be shown. Okay, so file save as, outrun, just file save as first. You say example1.py, ex1.py. I say yes. See ex1.py. Click here in the menu bar. You just click run module. Just click. Otherwise F5 you press. It will execute the command. See how are you is coming, and where is your boss is coming. But this command line it is ignored. Okay. Similarly, this is a single line command. I will make it as a multiple line. Okay. Multiple line. What is the way to do? Either you start with this. This is a multi-line command. I'm simply making 3 or 4 lines to differentiate. I'll make it as comment 1, 2, 3 something you write, and it must end with 3 double quotes, either double quotes or single quotes. You should do either single quote or double quote can do. Now I say file, save as, because already in the file, no, so I'm just making it as ex2 dot py. Dot py not necessary, already save as type is coming, so simply save. Now I will execute the command. It should execute, make it different for v. Okay, I'm just clicking the run model. Okay, it must be saved. Okay, it is showing only how are you Ravi, where is your boss Ravi, that's all. But these lines are ignored or it is not executed. So whatever you want to write, any hints, comments inside the program, you can write. That facility is given by Python. Okay, now we'll move on to another example. Input and output functions. Input, output is print command, na? Print whatever you type inside the codes, it will execute. Okay, it will execute. Okay, but input means you are actually getting input from the user for that purpose. How to do that? Do one thing. Here you just give one variable name equal to input is a command, input, enter your father's name, whatever it is. Okay, and when you press enter, you can find the system will ask input from you by asking enter your father's name. See, now I type my father's name, Tulsiram. What will happen? The name is stored here in name. So how to get that? Print name. You type the variable name, the name will be displayed. Otherwise, you want something meaningful. Your father name is, then you have to put comma and just type name. Press enter. Your father name is Tulsiram. So input and output, you should make it like this. One more example I'll show you by writing a file, new file. Now we will move on to another example. Okay, here num1 equal to input enter. Okay, num1 equal to input, you will getting input from the user first number. Okay, then it will ask for the first number 100. Okay, 100 I'm typing. So first number is stored in num1. Now I'm going to get another number from the user. Clearly watch, please. There is one catch here. So now you see, I'm going to get second number. Okay, 200. Enter. Now I wanted to display the whatever I got, the two numbers, I want to display that. For that, print you entered the following number. Okay, you entered, okay, because it will go out of space. Num1, I want to display and, so within quotes and I am typing. This is not variable. Num1 is a variable. So and comma num2. Okay, if you press enter, what will show? You entered will come. num1 100 will come and 200 will come, right? Good, this is okay. Now I am simply you see here num1 plus num2, okay? You forget about this int and all, let us wait. What I do is I just sum it, print the sum of two numbers. I display it as, you know, arithmetic function you can put num1 plus num2. I will show you arithmetic operators in another 2-3 minutes. Num1 plus num2. What will be the result? 100 plus 200, 300 should come, right? You see the result. No, it won't give 300 number. It is simply concatenate. It means it take it as a string. String means what? It takes it as text. So by default, whatever you get the input from the user, it will take it as a text only, unless otherwise you specify int. Here you see int input. Otherwise it will take it as by default text only. Please don't forget this. Now I will try one more time with the int. Okay. So I'm just take a number 3 equal to int of input, enter first number. Okay. Okay. It will ask me another number. Why it's so? No, I have not given another bracket, right? Close bracket is not given. See, enter first number it is asking. It is my mistake. I could have given the close parenthesis here. That's why it is not giving prompt. So after I given extra bracket, then it started giving prompts. Enter first number 60. Okay. Now it is stored it in num3. Num3 variable got 60 number. Now one more input I'll get. Num4 equal to int input, enter second number. I say 40. Now 40 is stored in num4. Then I'm just displaying output. I'm giving an output. The total number is num3 plus num4. I have to give comma here, otherwise it will give you error. See, it is giving 100. By default, it take whatever input you are getting it from the user is a character. That is what you call is string here. Okay. So for getting input integer, you have to mention int of input like that. Int of input should be given to get the number value from the user. Okay. Okay. We'll move on to another example. Now you see here Python has many operator types: arithmetic operators, comparison operator, assignment operator, logical operator. Okay, we will see one by one. Arithmetic operator. You know arithmetic operators. It has addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, exponential. Okay. Now we'll see x equal to 10, y equal to 100, x equal to 10. Okay, y equal to 2. Okay. Then simply you no need to write print x plus y. You put, it will give you 12. X minus y you put, it will give you 8. Okay. X into y, it gives you 20. X division y, it gives you 5.0 float value. Then I want to have the floor value, no? Floor value for you have to give 2 division symbol y. 4 value is 5. 5 times of 2 is 10. Okay. And modulus. Modulus must be what? It must be what? 0. Once you divide by 10 divided by 2 is 5 times. Okay. It already gives us floor division as 5. Remaining is 0. Okay. We will see one thing. Exponentiation. X double into y. It means 10 to the power 2. 10 into 10, 100 should show. 100 shows. Okay. These are all arithmetic operators. Double equal signs you have to give for equal sign. Not equal to, you have to give exclamatory equal to. Greater than, you have to give greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. We will see here. Print A double equal to B. A value is 5, B value equals 7. So, whether true or false, it must give false. False. Okay. Then print C, okay, small c, not equal to 5. That is, C value is 10. I will give not equal to 10. Not equal to 10. What should give? It is equal to 10 now. It should give false. I am giving C not equal to 10. If I say C equal to 10, it will give you true. Got it? So, it will give the output true or false. So, what we will do? Print C less than B. C value is 10, B value is 7. Print C less than B. False. Print C greater than B. It is true, na? It must give true. True. Print A greater than or equal to, A is greater than or equal to 5. True or false? Print A greater than or equal to 5. True or false? True. Since A got a value, A got value 5. Okay. A got value 5. It is greater than or equal to 5. Means what? Either condition it should satisfy. Definitely it is not greater than. So, equal to it is taking. So, greater or equal. Or means what? If you give or condition, any condition, if it is greater than is greater is satisfied, it will show true. If equal is not equal to also, don't bother. Any condition satisfy, it will give. Print B less than or equal to 7. See, B cannot be less than 7, right? But another condition satisfying, equal to 7. Here B equal to 7, and here you find I am giving condition less than or equal to. It means B cannot be less than 7, but equal to 7. So, any condition satisfy, it will give you true. Any one condition satisfy, it gives true. You must understand this logic. Okay. Now, we will see the assignment operator. Assignment operators. What are the assignment operators? X plus equal to, comma, x plus equal to, comma, x minus equal to, comma, then x int equal to, comma, x floor floor equal to, x floor equal to, then x modulus equal to, x modulus equal to. We will see the value. We will see first 5. Okay. After that, we will see 3. After that, we will see 2. Simply, I am putting a value. We will see these calculations. X double asterisk equal to 3. Okay, we will see this value on one. Let x equal to 10. Okay, then x plus equal to here 5 now. So 10 x plus equal to 5 means x equal to x plus 5. So print x 15 is coming. Since x plus equal to 5 means x equal to x plus 5. X plus equal to 5 means x equal to x plus 5. Then you relate to the answer. X equal to 10, then 10 equal to 10 plus 5. This is 15. Sorry, x equal to 10 plus 5. Now, we will see x minus equal to 3. What is the x value here? 15. 15 x equal to 15 minus 3 equal to 12 must be the answer. Let us see. X minus equal to 3. Now print x 12. Correct? Now we will move on to third example. X star equal to 2, which means x equal to 12 into 2, which is equal to 24. We will see then x star equal to 2. Previously x value is 12. Now into 2 means 24. Print x value must be 24. Correct? Okay. Then fifth one. 1, 2, 3, fourth one. X floor equal to 4 means x out value 24. 24 by 4 is 6. Okay. X equal to x divided by modulus by 4, which is equal to 24 divided by 4 equal to 6. Print, I have to assign x equal to x divided by 4. Now I see the value of x 6. Okay. Now the final one, not final, before that one more is there. X percentage, that is percentage means was modulus. modulus equal to 4. I have assigned it already. 6. X value is 6 then. Then modulus is x equal to x modulus 4 means modulus equal to 4 means x modulus 4 x equal to x modulus 4 x equal to x modulus 4 means 6 divided by 4. What is the balance? Equal to 2. We'll see. Print x 2 exactly. Now final one, x asterisk equal to 3. We'll see. X value now is 2. Okay. X double asterisk equal to 3 means x equal to x double asterisk into 3, which is equal to 2 power cube, 2 into 2 into 2, so equal to 8. Okay, print x must be value 8. So in this way the assignment operators are can be used in Python. That's all for the assignment operators now. We will move on to logical operators right now. Okay, h equal to 100, j equal to 70, k equal to 80, m equal to 78. Okay. Here I told you, and true if both are true. And means to connecting two conditions, but both the conditions must be satisfied, otherwise it gives you false. Okay. Or any one condition is pass, then it gives you true, otherwise false. Not whatever you condition give, it's reverse it. That's all. I will show you the example. First I will go for and condition. Okay, print h is greater than 100. Okay, and j is less than 80. What will you print? H is greater than 100, it is false. J is greater than less than 80, correct. This one is correct, but this one is false. But and condition, true if both are true, it means then it will give you false, right? Now again greater than or equal to 100. I am giving like this, greater than or equal to and this one. What will give? It will give you true, because here h is not greater than 100, or second condition is satisfied. Here greater than or equal, it is giving. So any greater than or is satisfied, any one condition is satisfied, this value gives you true. That's why this is also giving by default true. It is giving true. Understand the logic. Okay. Now we will see one more example for OR operator. Print H is greater than 100, H is less than 100, or J is less than 70, or K is equal to 80. Now we'll see. Print H is less than 100. H is less than 100. False. Here J is less than 70. J is equal to 70. This is also false. Two false. Okay. Third one, K equal to 80. This is true. OR condition. Okay. When you give any one condition pass, the result will be pass. Okay, sorry. What is the mistake? I am assigning value. Comparison double equal to I must give. Okay. See the error. Now you see it is giving true value. Value is true. Any one condition is true. True if at least one is true. True will give. That's what is giving true. We quickly move on to logical NOT operator. I give A equal to true. T must be capital. Please remember. The orange is coming now. So it's a correct value. I say print not A. It will produce not A means what? False. Okay. I am checking if a number is not positive. Checking if a number is not positive. Okay. Comment. Okay. This one. Num equal to minus 0. Oh, minus 5. Print not num greater than 0. It will give you output as true. Why? Num is not greater than 0, less than 0 na? Not greater than 0. So it was actually false. Then not, reverse it, right? True. Okay, we'll see third example. That's all the presentation today. I'll tell you the more advanced examples I will show you in next coming days. Thank you. Today's recap. What are the topics we have covered? Comments in Python, single line, multiple line, input and output functions, arithmetic operators we have covered, comparison operators also today we have covered, assignment operators also covered, logical operators have covered. Go through this multiple choice question and result will be, that is answers will be on the last page only. Go and work it out. Please write the answers in messages, comment. I wanted to see some of you have attended, so that I will be very satisfied. You have attended MCQ. See, the answer is in the last page. Don't see the answer first. First try to work it out all the MCQ. Very simple. Okay. Please write it in the comment. How many of you made correct answers? And thank you very much. This is today end of day 5, and please subscribe my channel, like, so that you will get more and more videos. continuously for 30 days. Today is day 5 and tomorrow day 6 we are going to cover the remaining operators bitwise, identity and membership operators in Python. And we will see you tomorrow. Thank you very much for supporting my channel. If you are learning something new today, please take a second to like this video and subscribe. It really not only support the channel but also keep these lessons coming every day. Like this video and subscribe it.